Welcome to NawongsaBisaya, guys. This video is about muscles and functions. In this video, we're going to learn about what is really muscles and what are the functions of this to our body. So please watch the whole video to the end so you learn about this. And also, I'm putting the services of the NawongsaBisaya here, so you know what is really NawongsaBisaya, what's NawongsaBisaya providing. So if you like the video, please click share, like, and subscribe. All right, there you go. We'll start now. Muscles are specialized tissues in our body that enable movement, provide structural support, and aid in the maintenance of bodily functions. There are three types of muscles in the human body: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal muscles, which are attached to bones by tendons, are responsible for voluntary movements such as walking, running, jumping, and lifting weights. They are under conscious control and can be strengthened and toned through regular exercises. Smooth muscles, which are found in the walls of internal organs such as the stomach, intestine, and blood vessels, are responsible for involuntary movement that aid in digestion, circulation, and other bodily functions. Cardiac muscles, which are found in the walls of the heart, are responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. In addition to movement and bodily functions, muscles play a role in regulating body temperatures, aiding in postures and balance, and protecting internal organs from injury. They also store and use energy in the form of glycogen, which is broken down during exercises to provide fuel for the body. Overall, muscles are essential to the proper functioning of our body.